Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby, and I am here today with something that I debated on for a really long time. I don't know if you can tell, that is the Stitch Fix logo. And I finally bit the bullet and just said I'm gonna try it. And so it's here, and I'm really excited to see what they have given me. I really don't know. So priority mail, it is USPS. So I'm returning. Whatever I'm returning goes in there. Let me pull out the paperwork here before I get into the bundle. A flyer with freestyle, which the season styles curated for you. Instantly buy pieces that match your style, size, and seasonal vibe. So information. I have an oh hello. So let's look at the oh hello. Check out our app. Check out on our app. Try the Stitch Fix Freestyle. Oh, there's a QR code to download the app. So I don't want to look at anything yet, except they have a little note. My stylist is Maya. She says, "Hi Elizabeth, sending you a big warm welcome to the Stitch Fix family. My name is Maya and I'll be your stylist this fix. I like to think of first fixes as get to know you fixes. I've picked out a variety of pieces from our inventory for you to try, and your feedback will help me style your next fix. I was delighted to see that you had a chance to review the preview that was sent to you, and that you found a total of 5 items that you enjoyed and wanted to use to create today's assortment. I honestly can't remember what they are. I was also so happy to see that you are excited to try a few pieces that are outside of your comfort zone. True. I noticed your request for spring dresses, and I was more than happy to fulfill that request for you. I will also try to keep a lookout for that floral blouse to include in your next preview, if it's still available in your size. Best, Maya." Oh, okay. Thanks for letting us style you. Oh, that's prices. Instantly buy pieces. So another freestyle thing. Okay. So I'll look at the prices later. I'm going to actually sit on my butt. Here we go. Here's my bundle. Oh, it's a lot of blue, purple. Okay. Blue's a good color on me. The QR code here again for the freestyle. They're really pushing that. So let's see what I have. Sorry, crumble, crumble, crumble. All right. This is Fortune and Ivy Irene Faux Wrap Brush Knit Maxi Dress in Navy in a size 1X. It's a cotton material, pretty lightweight. It looks like it's got a high-low hem at the bottom, definitely, and a wrap front. Is it a complete wrap? No, it's just a faux wrap. So that's kind of cute. I've never tried Fortune and Ivy before, so let's give it a shot. Next, oh, okay. This is Kaylee Magdalena Knit Tiered Dress in Purple, size 1X. Okay, that's really cute. It looks like it's got like an elbow length sleeve though. Those aren't great on me, but a little scoop neck and a tiered bottom. It's a purple. It's a really pretty, I don't know if the color is showing up, but it's a purple with some flowers that are pinky purple in it. So yay. Okay, now this is 9 Britain. It's the Lizzie Brushed Knit Dress in Black in 1X. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, so I think I might have picked this. I might have done this because I wanted to try something way outside of my comfort zone. Here we go. So the material is cottony. It is short and fitted and strappy. I don't really wear short. I have a difficult time with fitted, being a little chunky. And strappy, I need like, so because I'm a big girl, the bras all have like super thick straps. So it's really hard to pull this off, but I am going to give it a go. I did ask for her to push me out of my comfort zone. This is 41 Hawthorne Beatrice Scalloped Detail Dress in black in size 1X. This is another sort of knee length, but it's got a little thicker strap. It's got some elastic smocking on the back. That will work. It's heavier. It's a little bit of a heavier weight. So we're going to see, it's like a little A-line dress. It's black and it's got orange and yellow and white and tan flowers. So I'm happy with all dresses so far. Let's see. This last one's another real cottony material. This is also by Fortune and Ivy. This is the same dress, just in a different pattern. Yeah, Irene Faux Wrap Brush Knit Maxi Dress in black. So it is literally the same dress, except blue and black. Is that typical? Do they typically do that? I mean, it's cute. High-low, the flowers are different, and it's a little bit darker of a background, but is this something that Stitch Fix does, where they send you just in different colors? Well, okay, so here we go. I am going to try these on, and I'll come back and show you, and then at the very end, I'll talk about pricing. Okay, so this is the Fortune and Ivy wrap dress, and this is the navy one. See, it's a little low. It's about knee length in the front, and then drops down lower in the back. It has got the cover. This is just not flattering. I guess if I wear high-waisted underwear, let me show you the pattern. It's a dark navy. It does have really cute little frilly, sorry, that will have to be taken care of it, but it's got a pretty low wrap. The material is nice. I'm afraid that it will be clingy or staticky. Here's the back. I'm going to have to see how bad this is. It's nice. It's a nice dress for going out to dinner or to church, on a date. You know, it's cute. I'm going to try the other ones on and just see. I'm just a little self-conscious here, but we will check it out. All right, up next. Okay, so this is the one by Kaylee. This is the purple tiered dress. It's a great material. It feels very light. It feels comfortable. It's flowy. It is above the knee. Anyone else out there like really, I really hate my knees. But, you know, maybe if I get a little color, you won't notice them as much, because it's lightweight. Let me show you it's purple. It's sort of like a dusty purple, and then these flowers are pink and white. The sleeves don't bother me at all. They're nice and loose. Here's the back. Alright, this one is really cute, and you know, with the little pair of wedges, I think this would be great for work. Okay, so let me try on the form-fitted one next. Ooh, wish me luck. Okay, so this one is the 9 Britain one. Okay, not bad, right? This is not too bad here. It's actually bra friendly. The strap sort of fades into, I think I can get away with that, right? Let me know. It's, you know, above the knee again, but it's super lightweight, and this material is really like a dream. Let me show you. It's just black with, you know, little white design in it. See, it sort of hides the bra strap until the back. Cute, right? Cute crisscrosses. Would make for a crazy kind of suntan in the summer, but it's so comfortable. This is one of those whenever it's like 95 degrees and 90% humidity that you just put on with a pair of sandals and do your thing. I'm going to have to watch the video back on this one. This actually is my favorite so far. What is going on? Okay, let's keep on going with another sort of fitted one. The next one is the another black one with the orange flowers. I'll be right back. Okay, so I forgot to look at what brand this is. This is super cute. It's a little more snug, but it does have that smocking, the elastic smocking. So I can move. It's lined, so it's a little heavier weight than the last one. It's got this cute little, look at this detail, adorable. Can you see the flowers? I don't know if you can tell, but they're orangey, kind of shades of orange. And it has pockets. It's a little longer, so my knees are covered. Here's the back. I can move around in it. I mean, it's more snug up here. The other ones were just a different material, I think. It's got little darts. This is really super cute. I love this detail here. And I love that it has pockets. And I feel a little more covered under the pits than in the other black one. So this one might be a contender. What do you think? It's so cute when it's got pockets. I love it. All right. I have one more. It's the black version of the first one. So I don't hold out a lot of hope for it, but I'll put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so why do I feel like this one's looser? I think they're the same size. I'll have to check. But yeah, I think they're the same size, but this one feels less tight through here. Oh yeah, still a little bouncy, but it's still pretty low cut. I might put a tag, something here just to keep it closed. The material is the same. It's black, but then it's got these big flowers, and they have kind of tones of pink and purple in them, and a little bit of like a rust. It's got the cute little flutter sleeves still. Here's the back. It's lower in the back. This is a great work church dress. The others were probably more of like hanging out and going to, you know, brunch with your friends. But this one feels good. I'm not as self-conscious for whatever reason. I wonder if they just were a little more generous when they cut it. All right, so I've got some decisions, but I think the price is going to factor in. So I will be back. I'm going to change into my comfy clothes and come back and talk prices. We'll see what's going to happen. Okay, so let's talk prices. The whole box is $278. And if I keep all of it, I get a 25% discount, which is $69.50, which brings it to $208.50. And then my styling fee of $20 is credited back. So if I kept everything, it would be $188.50, which is pretty good. But I don't want two of the same dress. Okay, so that's a problem. All right, so anyway, let's talk prices. The Fortune and Ivy, the wrapped dresses are both $54. The Kaylee, the purple tiered one, is also $54. The 9 Britain, the black one with the straps, is $48. And the other black one with the orange flowers is the most expensive, of course, of $68. Whew. I do not know what to do. It seems like a great price for 5 dresses. $188.50, but I do not want 2 of the same dress. The only difference is the background and the color of the flowers. So that's just a no to me. Those $250. I don't know, maybe I'll keep one. I really have to think about this and plan accordingly. So please comment, subscribe. I mean, we're small but mighty. This is, like I said, my first Stitch Fix box. I usually do Fashion and Wantable. So now I have 3 in my rotation. So, you know, think about subscribing. Maybe leave me a comment and tell me what you would pick if you were me. Which ones should I get? All right, so thanks everybody. Until next time, I hope you stay well, and I will see you soon.